Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, we're gonna talk on my recent purchase, which is the Mac Mini. Specifically, number 1, saan ko ba siya nabili? Number 2, ano yung spec niya? 3, saan kaya benchmark? Number 4, magkano? But before we start, sisingin ko muna yung intro na ginawa ko dito sa Mac. Balik tayo sa topic natin. Nabalik ko siya sa website ng ilalagay ko yung link sa description sa baba. Just after its launch noong November, nag-attempt na ako mag-order. Unfortunately, hindi pa siya available sa Philippine market. But noong December 7, nakapag-place na ako ng order. Shipment is galing Singapore, then Hong Kong, then Manila. Finally, noong December 28, na-deliver na siya sa bahay. For the specification, it has 3 Thunderbolt 4 ports, 1 Ethernet port, 1 HDMI, 2 USB-C, and 1 headphone jack. Yung sukat niya is 5x5 by 2 inches at yung timbang is 670 grams. Because this is the base model, it has 10 core CPU and GPU with 16GB of unified memory and 256GB of internal storage, and can support ng dalawang 6K monitor. Nag-run ako ng benchmarking app which is from Blender, and nakakuha ako ng score na 231, which is kalapit ng Ryzen 7 and Intel i9. And just as advertised, it can edit multiple stream of 4K video clips. And last, the price. The price is 36,990. If you're a student or an educator and also planning to buy, magkaiba yung pricing sa inyo. As for me, I paid for the premium. Sulit ba siya for that price? I would say yes. For my use case na like coding and video editing, can do the job. That's it for today's video. Found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and see you on the next time. Bye bye.